Your front door protects everything inside your home, your family, your belongings, and your peace of mind. But traditional locks rely on keys that can be lost, misplaced, or duplicated. Smart door locks offer a more secure and convenient way to access your home. Introducing the Elevate Smart Door Lock, designed to combine modern security with everyday convenience. With multiple unlocking methods, smart app connectivity, and intelligent access control, Elevate makes managing your home access simple and reliable. In this video, we'll walk you through unboxing, installation, initial setup, and registering each unlocking method step by step. By the end of this guide, your Elevate Smart Door Lock will be fully installed and ready to use. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find everything required to install your Elevate Smart Door Lock. This includes the front lock panel, which contains the fingerprint sensor, keypad, and exterior handle. The back panel houses the internal electronics and battery compartment. The mortise lock contains the latch and deadbolt mechanism. You'll also find the connecting spindle, RFID cards, mechanical backup keys, connecting pillars, screws, and mounting hardware. Elevate is designed to fit doors with a thickness between 35 and 60 millimeters, making it compatible with most standard residential doors. Take a moment to lay out all the components and verify that everything is included before starting. For this demonstration, we're using a door standee with pre-cut openings to clearly show each step. In a real installation, you would use the drilling template provided with the lock to create these cutouts accurately. Proper alignment is important to ensure smooth operation of the lock, so take your time to measure and confirm positions before drilling. Before installing the mortise lock, let's configure a few components based on your door setup. If you want the handle in a right-hand position, place the provided screw on the left side. For a left-hand handle position, place the screw on the right side. This adjustment applies only to the front panel. Next, adjust the latch direction. Pull the latch shifting plate and rotate the latch based on your door orientation, making sure it matches the closing side of your door, then push it back into place. Now, attach the connecting pillars on the back side of the front panel, one at the top and one at the bottom. The connecting spindle, connecting pillars, and screws should be cut according to your door thickness. Ensure the measurements are accurate before cutting. If the connecting spindle is cut shorter than required, you can add the spring provided to compensate for the length. Remember, the screws on the back panel should go into the same side as the handle. Once these adjustments are complete, we can begin installation. First, insert the mortise lock into the cavity on the edge of the door. Align it properly with the screw holes and secure it using the provided screws. Test the latch movement to ensure it operates smoothly. Next, insert the connecting spindle into the mortise lock and position the front panel on the exterior side of the door. Make sure the spindle and cable pass through correctly and that the panel sits flush against the surface. Secure it using the connecting pillars. When attaching the back panel, connect the cable from the front panel to the connector on the back panel, ensuring a firm connection for proper communication between the keypad, fingerprint sensor, and internal electronics. Align the back panel with the spindle and mounting holes and then secure it with screws. Once tightened, test the handle to make sure it moves smoothly and operates the latch correctly. Now it's time to power the lock. Open the battery compartment on the back panel and insert 4 AA batteries, making sure the polarity matches the markings inside. Close the battery cover securely. The lock will power on and prepare for setup. Locate the reset button inside the back panel. Press and hold it for about 5 seconds until the system resets and enters initial setup mode. The default administrator password is 123456. For security, it's recommended to change this immediately. Enter the administrator menu, press star, followed by hash. Enter the administrator password and press hash. You can now set a new administrator passcode and configure the lock. The Elevate Smart Door Lock allows you to add different users and assign unlocking methods to each one. Users can be added as administrator users who can modify system settings, or as regular users who can only unlock the door. To add a user, enter the administrator menu by pressing star and hash, then entering the administrator passcode followed by hash. Press 1 to add a user, then select the user type. You can now register unlocking methods for each user. To register a passcode, enter the administrator menu and select Add User. Choose the user type and enter the new passcode, pressing hash to confirm. Re-enter the passcode to verify it. Once completed, the system will display a success message. The user can now unlock the door by entering the passcode followed by hash. To add a new user, start by entering the administrator menu. Press star, then hash, enter the administrator passcode and press hash again. From the main menu, press 2 to enter user settings. Then press 1 to add a new user. Next, select the user type, administrator or regular user. Once selected, follow the prompts to register the user's passcode, fingerprint, or RFID card. Each user is assigned a unique ID, allowing you to manage access easily. After completing the registration steps, the system will confirm with a success message. For fingerprint registration, enter the administrator menu again, select Add User and choose the user type. When prompted, place the finger on the fingerprint sensor. Lift and place the finger multiple times as instructed, so the system can capture a complete fingerprint profile. Once registration is complete, a success message will appear and the fingerprint can now unlock the door instantly. RFID cards can also be registered for quick and convenient tap-to-unlock access. To register an RFID card, enter the administrator menu by pressing star and hash, followed by your administrator passcode and the hash key. Press 1 to add a user, then select the user type. When prompted, simply tap the RFID card on the reader area of the lock. The system will automatically detect and store the card. Once registration is complete, a success message will confirm that the card has been added. If you need to remove a user, the process is just as simple. Enter the administrator menu by pressing star and hash, followed by the administrator passcode and hash. Press 2 to access user settings. Then press 2 to delete a user. You will be prompted to enter the user ID that you want to remove, enter the user number and press hash to confirm. The system will delete the selected user and that access method will no longer work on the lock. This ensures you can quickly revoke access whenever needed. To unlock additional smart features, you can connect the lock to the Smart Life app. Download the Smart Life app from the App Store or Google Play. Ensure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network with Bluetooth and location services enabled. Open the app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Auto Scan and the app will search for nearby devices. When the Elevate Smart Door Lock appears, tap Go to Add and follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairings. Once connected, the lock will appear in your device list. Using the app, you can generate temporary passwords for visitors. Before creating a temporary password, make sure your phone is set to 24 hours time format, as this is required for the password to function correctly. Inside the app, navigate to the temporary password section. You can generate two types of passwords: a one-time password, which can be used only once and is valid for a limited duration, or a time-limited password, which allows multiple uses within a defined time window. Once generated, share the password with the visitor. To unlock using the temporary password, wake up the lock screen, press 666 followed by the hash key, then enter the temporary password and press hash again. Once accepted, the lock will confirm access and unlock. After use or expiration, the password automatically becomes invalid, ensuring continued security. Through the Smart Life app, you can also control and monitor your lock remotely. You can unlock the door, manage users, generate access codes, view unlocking records, and receive real-time alerts. The app also maintains a complete activity log, allowing you to track who accessed the door and when. This gives you full visibility and control over your home access, no matter where you are. With flexible unlocking options, user management controls, and smart app connectivity, the Elevate Smart Door Lock provides a complete and secure access solution for your home. From fingerprint recognition to passcodes, RFID cards, temporary passwords, and mobile control, Elevate ensures both convenience and peace of mind. And that's it. Your lock is fully installed, configured, and ready to use.